Hi you guys. Oh, focus. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I have you guys sit up on my tripod right now because I am in my beauty room and it looks a hot mess. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. So as you can see, this is my beauty room right now, and I have my daughter's stuff, and then my little makeup station. This is where I sit and everything. So I will be cleaning that up tonight because it looks ridiculous, and yeah, Shawty needs to clean up. So I wanted to record me cleaning up my room, my beauty room, because hold on, let me take you guys off, because I see a lot of YouTubers, they do this. So I thought this would be fun for you guys to watch me clean up. It's like a lot of stuff, y'all. Like, look. So this is the before. Yeah. This is the before. So yeah, yeah, so I'm about, y'all, my face look a mess. I got all these spots on here, but I think I'm gonna do a mask tonight. I'm getting all these little bumps and stuff. But anyways, that's not what that video is about. So yeah, I am about to clean up my room because it's ridiculous, and I need to get like a lot of stuff out of here that I do not need in here. So that's what I'm about to do. So yeah, yeah, so let's get right into this video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be speeding it up and all that good stuff. So yeah, so let's get started with cleaning this room. I don't even know where I'm gonna start, but I think I'm gonna start with taking my daughter's stuff out of here. So yeah, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So let's get started. So I think I'm gonna sit you guys up. I don't know. I want to sit you guys up right here, but I'm gonna need something like prop y'all on, like prop y'all up so y'all can see me. Can y'all see me? Y'all really can't see me. Can y'all see me? I don't know. Anyways. Okay, you guys, so focus. So you guys, I kind of finished straightening up my room. I'm not completely like done, but I think I am good for the most part. I'm still like, I have to like vacuum and stuff like that, but for the most part, I think I am okay. I need to get a lot of stuff for my room. Like I need to get like some decorations and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys. My face look horrible, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I have cleaned. Like it's, like I organize it, but it's not like the best cleaning. But y'all, this is ridiculous. I'm putting my finger right here, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys so far what I got done and completed. So yeah, so tell me what you think. So I kind of moved everything out. I need to get a new rug because that rug is like so dirty. So my vanity is clean, and I still have like my camera and stuff like set up right here, because this is where I film like right here in front of everything. So those are my lights, and I sit my camera right here on my tripod, and usually I have something sitting right here. So one thing I do want to get a camera, not a camera, I have a camera. I do want to get a table. So I'm thinking about putting like either a table right here in filming, or putting it over there where that space is at. And so on the wall, I just hung up my hats right there. I gotta take that little outlet thing down, because we spray painted that, because this was my daughter's room when she was itty bitty. So and then we just moved all her stuff across the hall into my old beauty room. So we just switched rooms because that room was a little bit bigger for her bed and stuff. So I need to take that down. I need to take that one out, and I don't know if I can see the other ones, or yeah. So I just need to take those two out and exchange those for something else. The closet, yeah, it's very junky. So here I have this like divider things, and this is where I have like some of my purses hung up. I want to find another place to put them, but I don't know where to put them at. And then over here, this is just it's an old box of my daughter's shoes that I want to give away. This is just an old gym bag that I have, both of those. Old boots that I need to throw away. And then this is like paperwork, paperwork, my printer, and then my old laptop. And then here, that's my iPad, my phone, and then I just have like a little watch box thing open. Why is this up here? Okay, so yeah, I just have that there, and then I have a hat, and then my flower that you always see in my video. And then I just put this purse up here, but I don't know if I want to keep that up here just yet. And then here, I just have my Revlon perfume box. And then over here in this area, so I'm going to tell you guys my secret and how I film my videos. So, crazy. It's janky, but it's okay. But back there, that is my old cheerleader picture that I have from high school. That's a suitcase that I need to find a place for. I think I need to put it in the garage or an attic or whatever I need to do. And then over there, that's my other like carry-on suitcase. So you see this box here. So I take this box here, and I take one of these. It's so ratchet, so ghetto. So that box there, it's like a vacuum box, well, it's a vacuum box, right? So I take that box, and then this thing here, this is like a shoe rack. So I take the shoe rack and I sit the shoe rack on top of the box, and then that's how I like have everything in my what I need when I do film my videos. So yeah, there you go. That's my little secret of how I film my videos. So good up. So over here, this is where I have like some of my purses displayed over there. And then I have, I don't know why that's there, but I have a backpack right there that I don't know what to do with it, so it's there. And then I have this little shebang bang. So I have shoes here, and then I have like paperworks and stuff like there, and then like those two things, that's my daughter. I don't know where I want to put it, so I just left it there. And then I got like some little scarves and stuff. So I still got some stuff that I do need to clean up, but you know, right now I'm not going all the way in. And then right here, this is just my vision board. So I did this one last year. I want to do a new one for this year, but I don't know when I'm going to do it. But I plan on doing a vision board pretty soon. And then this over here is like more purchases. That box there, I have I'm toting that purse right now, so that's why that space is empty, and then that's where all my little clutches are what. And then up here, sunglasses, and then like other stuff that I didn't know what to do with, so I just left it there. And then that's where all of that, my makeup bags are under there, and then all the cameras that I have are boxes are over there. And then I just have like my hair and stuff because I didn't know where to put it. So I just put it over there. But yeah, and then I have my fan because I get hot. Even though I have a ceiling fan, I still get hot. So with that being said, this is what my room looks like. And all of that out there is what was in my room, but I have to take that to the trash. So yeah, we're not gonna worry about that. So yeah, this is what my room look like now. It's pretty decent. I mean, it was better than what it was because I couldn't like barely move when I was like in here trying to come in here. So I feel better. But yeah, that is my room. So with that being said, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. I am about to finish cleaning up in the other room. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So yeah, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification, whatever you want to do, just do it, okay? But anyways, I am about to finish cleaning out this hallway so I can walk through it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Also, if you guys want to see me vlog, make sure you make sure you comment down below if you want to see me do vlogs and stuff, because I mean, I try to do a daily vlog, but probably a weekly vlog, because y'all, I really don't be doing nothing. But if that's something that you're interested in, just let me know, and yeah, I'll try to get that done for you guys. Bye.